Hey, my name is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about fallen leaves. They might look nice on your ground, but when it comes to your winter pool cover, it can create a nightmare, especially when you go to take the winter cover off your pool at the beginning of the summer. The wet leaves weigh down your winter cover, and it makes it very difficult to get the cover off the pool. Then you have to spend the time fishing out all the leaves, and it just becomes a real headache. So today I'm just going to tell you what I use to make the removal of the leaves from your winter cover a lot easier. I have a lot of trees on my property, you know, around my pool, so I get a lot of falling leaves. And what I purchased a few years ago is a mesh net that just goes right on top of your winter pool cover. I put this on right after I put the winter cover on, and I've been leaving it on throughout the whole winter. And when there are some decent days during the winter, I'll come out and take the net. It's easier if you have a helper. You don't necessarily need a helper for this because it's mesh, so no water gets held in the net. It's not like your winter cover where it gets weighted down by the water, so you can remove this by yourself if you need to. But what I do is I just take the net, pull it up and over, and I just fish the net across the top of the cover, and I take the net off the pool, shake it out, shake all the leaves out, and then put the net back on. So this is just a very quick video just to give you a heads up on making your leaves come off the pool a lot easier, and it'll save you a lot of time in the spring when you go to open your pool. So if this video helped, I hope it did, and if it did, I'd appreciate maybe if you give a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I have videos out weekly on home maintenance kind of things, car repairs, car maintenance, so you might want to check out my playlist on my channel. You might see something else that might help you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.